Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you quick our new skewers that go with our Deluxe air fryer. This is a brand new recipe that's coming out, perfect for the fall. It's chicken satay. Oh my gosh, we actually have had some today already, but I wanted to show you guys how awesome these skewers are and how fun they can be for your kitchen. You get to pop them right in the air fryer and they spin around just like the rotisserie, which is great. And our chicken came out like super duper crispy on the outside, nice and soft and yummy on the inside. So these are the skewers, and all you have to do is literally skewer whatever on you want to go into the air fryer. Let me show this to you while I got it. There's little holes on each side, so it doesn't matter which side you use. This is some of our sauce from our last batch of chicken. So all you have to do is just put the end of that skewer through one hole, and then you come on the other side and you'll pinch right here, and you'll pinch it right into this little slot. If I can do all this at one time. Perfect, and that's it.